Hello friends, now I am unboxing Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus navy blue and coral red color. Doing so, I will also share some in-depth information of this smartphone. The phone comes with a 120Hz refresh rate, 6.70-inch touchscreen display offering a resolution of 1440 x 3120 pixel QHD+. Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 8th generation Elite processor. It comes with 12GB of RAM. It runs Android 15 and is powered by a 4900 mAh non-removable battery. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus supports wireless charging as well as proprietary fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus on the rear packs a triple camera setup featuring a 50 megapixel primary camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and a 10 megapixel telephoto camera. It has a single front camera setup for selfies featuring a 12 megapixel sensor with an f/2.2 aperture. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus runs One UI 7, is based on Android 15 and packs 256GB of inbuilt storage. It weighs around 190 grams. It features an IP68 rating for dust and water protection. So friends, that's all about Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Hope you enjoyed the full video. Thank you.